अभी सर वो अभी एक स्टडी आई कि हम 5% भी पानी को अंदर नहीं डाल पा रहे, जमीन के अंदर डाले, और धीरे धीरे अगर यही रहा पैटर्न चलता रहा तो एक दिन ऐसा होगा कि धीरे धीरे पानी हमको मिलेगा ही नहीं। लेकिन 8 से 15 साल बाद का अगर सोच के चलो तो ये सब चीज खत्म हो जाएगी अगर इस तरह।
Will the freshwater finish? Will rivers become memories and forests just photographs? In a world drowning in pollution, we are somehow still thirsty.
We paved our lands with concrete. We cut forests that held our soil together. Rainwater that once soaked into the earth now rushes away, causing flash floods, soil erosion, and a falling water table.
But here in Dehradun, at HESCO, a different story is being written. Instead of letting rain escape, they invite it to stay. Simple trenches are dug across slopes, not to stop rain but to slow it down. Water seeps into the ground, recharging the water table beneath our feet.
Small check dams stand quietly in seasonal streams. They break the force of flash floods, hold back soil from washing away, and give water the time it needs to sink into the earth.
Even the walking trails were designed with care. Gravel path instead of cement, so rainwater doesn't run off but gently percolates into the soil.
The sal forest revived. Sal trees, which cannot be grown in nurseries, sprouted naturally once the soil regained its moisture. They were never gone, they were just waiting for the right conditions.
And something remarkable happened by simply increasing the moisture level. Life returned.
Nature doesn't need miracles. It needs moisture, it needs patience, and it needs participation.
Rainwater harvesting becomes more than a technique, it becomes responsibility. Every rooftop can be a reservoir, every drop can be stored.
And even an invasive species weed like lantana, once seen as a threat, is turned into an opportunity.
Lantana furniture costs less than cane, provides livelihoods, and clears forests for native species to grow again.
So, will the fresh water finish?